Good morning, crypto traders. ETH. Yes, this is the powerhouse. We have a support level where we've consolidated for 3 days and a 2-day breakout right up to this resistance top. As we go through the Christmas season and into the new year, we will be updating this ETH, which I believe now in 2024 that ETH is going to be the big winner over Bitcoin. Bitcoin has done tremendously well. However, I believe in 2024 that ETH can outperform Bitcoin. And I did. All I need you to do is sign up for the free 5-day trial with Tommy Trader. And Tommy Trader's been trading crypto since crypto started. The main two cryptos that we trade is BTC and ETH. Those are the leaders. Now, let me show you the ETF. This is an ETF on ETH. We had gapped down, we consolidated, we had gapped up, we came down to this support level right here, and we've gapped right back up into the resistance. Yes, we have. I will simply draw the resistance that we have to overcome in price. That's right there. This is the consolidation, 3 days, 4 days, straight up. On the daily chart, on the ETF, we do have a daily sell signal. When we go back to the ETH, you will notice down here in the MACD that there is also a daily sell signal, but we continue to go higher, and we're testing this. Stay tuned. 2024 ETH is going to outperform Bitcoin, and we will buy the dips, we'll give the entries, we'll give the exits, and once again, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all crypto traders.